Hi, this is Tony with Alternative Living Spaces. Over the last several years, we've made a lot of container homes, and this is actually one of our very first Airbnb rentals. It's located in Springdale, Utah, and was built in partnership with my friend Chris Boniuto of Container Guys. Let's check it out. What I really love about this unit is that it has distinct living spaces. You know, you have a nice kitchen area, you got plenty of room in there, but you also have a nice living room area that's completely separate. And what's cool about this area is it has a lot of light. You have two really large windows. They're both 6 foot by 3 foot windows, brings a lot of light into the space. Also on top of that, you have this nice sofa that can actually convert into a chase sofa, so almost like a chase lounge. As a chase, it can fit 3 people comfortably, so it provides a great space to hang out, watch a movie with some friends. Also, the sofa converts into a bed, and it turns into a queen size bed, so it's plenty of room. It has storage underneath the sofa cushions, so you can store your blankets, your pillows, your sheets, everything inside of there to really make a nice, cozy bed. Another cool feature about the living room is the way we've utilized storage. So right underneath this TV, you can actually see a little storage unit right here for your clothing. And so as you open it up, you got actually 6 cubbies for you to put your jeans, your shorts, your shirts, your jackets, really some good clothing space. You also have some more storage area in this room over here. And so you can store your books, whatever kind of storage needs you may have. For shelving, we got plenty of shelving for you as well. For the heating and cooling of the unit, we got a 9,000 BTU AC/heater unit. This thing works great, and it's actually for something twice this size. It's for up to 400 square feet, so no problem cooling off the space or heating it up when necessary. Not only does the bar cart have good room for storage, it also is great because it's on wheels. You can pull it over to the sofa area, and it actually converts into a table. As you convert it into a table, you actually realize that it's a table for 2. So you can hang out with you and your significant other or a buddy, eat some food, watch the game, and have a good time.
Welcome, we're in the kitchen. We have upper and lower cabinets. We did a navy blue color here. Gives it a little bit of pop to it. We have a microwave, 2-burner induction stove. Gets all your cooking needs done. We got a refrigerator right here. Has a freezer in it. Also, we went with the oil bronze finishes for all the hardware. Gives it a nice pop of color against the white. Going from that, we also have this cool chalkboard. We just kind of put on the side of the cabinet here. You can write your honey to-do list or your shopping list, whatever you have. And transitioning into the bathroom, we got this really cool pocket door. We did a little bit of the blue go off of the kitchen, and its pocket door slides right open, and you enter through the bathroom here. For a tiny home, we actually did a pretty good size bathroom. We did a corrugated steel shower, again with the bronze finishes. Also, we have a vanity. We made it again out of the pallet wood, custom, so that we can fit it in this space. Used a really cool top, vessel sink, pallet wood also for the mirror, and we did a pallet wood wall. It really goes well with the corrugated steel. I think it pops, has enough color in it. And also this cool ceiling. This is the first time we attempted it. It's a tin ceiling. Gives it a really cool modern look. Almost a little vintage as well.